It is considered to be built with a strong and good infrastructure with a suitable environment. The core infrastructure elements of this city include 24/7 water and power supply, transport system and waste management system, reliable IT network, health care, education facilities, etc. Electricity plays a vital role in maintaining these infrastructural elements efficiently. The general electrical loads of this city comprises of domestic loads which include appliances such as lights, television, refrigerators, air conditioners, etc. Commercial loads like lighting for shops, advertisements, and electrical appliances used in shops and restaurants, etc. And the municipal loads that consist of street lighting. The power consumption by these loads keep on varying day and night and also from season to season. In order to meet out these load demands, the operation of the generating units that supply the power should be scheduled. This operation scheduling requires accurate prediction of the load demand, which is a challenging task due to the diversified and varying patterns of the load. Load curves help in predicting this load demand. Let us see about the load curves in detail. A load curve is a graphic record showing the variation of the load with respect to time which the power station has to supply. Such a curve depicting the load consumed for an hour is called hourly load curve. If a curve is plotted recording the load consumed in a duration of 24 hours, then it is called daily load curve. If the same curve displays the load demands of a month, then it is called a monthly load, and if it is for a year, then it is a yearly load curve. The typical load data for Iowa City consumed by lighting, domestic and commercial loads in a day is shown. Based on this load data, a load curve is drawn between load in kilowatt and duration in hours. The area under the load curve represents the energy that has to be generated in a day by the power station to meet out the load demands. So, the units generated by the generating station of the Iowa City is equal to 4,500 into 6 plus 3,500 into 2 plus 7,500 into 4 plus 2,000 into 2 plus 8,000 into 4 plus 2,500 into 2 plus 5,000 into 4, which is equal to 1,25,000 kilowatt hour. From the load curve, the average load on the power station for a particular day is calculated by the area under the curve divided by the total number of hours. The average load for the Iowa City is equal to 1,25,000 divided by 24. That is equal to 5,208 kilowatt. The peak load on the day indicated by the load curve represents the maximum demand on the power station. Here, the maximum load demand of the city is equal to 8,000 kilowatt. Load curves give information that decides the installed capacity of the power station and the economical sizes of various generating units. These curves also help to estimate the generating cost and to decide the operating schedule of the power station.